Welcome back, guys. What's up? Here with another awesome wig from Genius Wigs. I know you guys probably picked up by now, but I've been really loving Genius Wigs quality, and this is what's inside. So today is something a little different. This is the Highlight Sunshine Straight virgin hair wig. Anyways, before I jump into that, let me show you a little bit of what came in the box. So we got some rods. These come in really handy, so I'm happy for these. And we also have a wig cap and a extra elastic band in case you need more security for the wig. That's all that came in the box. A bit of information is here on the front. It says Genius Wigs 13x6 lace front wig, straight, 18 inches, 180% density. So it's 18 inches long. When I see here that have this like color, I just think about Beyonce. Because Beyonce's hair color is forever like this hair color. I want to do a inspired hair look on this so much today, and that's how I'm going to finesse this hair. So as you guys know, I do have a discount code with Genius Wigs. It's PETITE-SUE, and you get $10 off, $10 US off any purchase. So that's really cool. This is a HD lace, and as I said before multiple times, I've been loving HD and transparent lace. In the future, I'll give you guys like my ultimate review on that, but yeah. It has 4 combs inside the cap. 4 combs. Yeah, we're gonna proceed to finessing this now. So I got the hair wet. I have this silk press spray thingy that I really want to try out. I'm gonna be doing this hairstyle right here. Definitely inspired by Argante. So that's the vibes. For this video, I just want to finesse this hair. So it's basically like an inspired look that I'm going for today. So, alright. I'm going to spray this all over the hair and blow dry it. This product is from Design Essentials, Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection, Blow Dry and Styling Primer. So it says faster blow dry, and it's a heat guard. It says shake to activate after using and detangling. I'm just gonna spray this all over. And flat ironed it to just, you know, speed things up, and it feels so good, so lightweight, very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now, and then I'm gonna style it on my head. I'm done with applying the wig. Now I want to move on to actually styling it. So I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair. So I'm gonna kind of just like, I'm not gonna do much talking throughout this portion. I'm just gonna kind of like, I don't know, just make it be like a more watch and go kind of thing. Almost forgot my chopsticks because he definitely had those in her hair. I almost forgot. I'm loving how everything came together. Let me know if you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Yeah, go ahead and drop your suggestions for any other video you want to see. It doesn't have to be hair or makeup related, you guys know this. So go ahead and do that. Don't forget to check out my vlogs as well. The link for that will be down below. And if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, as you can see, I did not tweak it in terms of anything. It came pre-plucked and it was plucked beautifully. The only thing I did was go ahead and go over it and straighten it and stuff, and then applied it as is and styled it. And I really love how the style came together. If hair had the deeper parting, then I would be like, could be spot on, set apart from the color. Of course the colors are different, but I tried my best. I mean, I've never really done this top knot thing before. I mean, I feel like everything came together nicely. I love the feel of the hair. The color is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Genius wig, shout out to you once again. Yeah, but that's pretty much it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and make up on yourself.